Okay, so this is the bag that we issued out to your parents. And as you can see, it was already open because we had to do some things inside to the parts before giving them to you. So I'm going to shake the bag, and the part that's taped, I'm going to cut it open so we can get inside the bag. So the thing about this bag, please don't open it like a bag of socks or cotton balls or something, because this bag is going to hold all of our pieces. So it's important that we keep it intact pretty much. So let's go over some of the parts. So this is the body tube, and this is where we attach a lot of things to it. So when we ask for the body tube, that's what it is. We also have this. It's the nose cone. That's inside there as well, the nose cone of your rocket. These are called the fins, which are at the bottom of the rocket, so that comes out too. And this one, well, it's called the lock ring. You probably can't even see it here, but it locks the fins to the body tube. So when we ask for the lock ring, we want this. So now we have some bags. This little bag has the wadding, and we'll be talking about that probably toward the end of building it. So don't even open this, just keep this in the bag. This is the wadding paper. And then we have this, these two little tubes. We need them as well, a tan tube and a yellow tube, and that's what we call them, the tan tube and the yellow tube, so don't mix them up. And now comes some bags. So here we have this bigger bag. So this is kind of going to be I do, you do. So I'm shaking this to make sure all the pieces go to the bottom. I don't want it cut into anything, and under the seam is where I open this bag. So this is trash. I'm going to put it over. And these are actually the stickers. This is how we're going to decorate it. So this rocket, there's a sticker that says Starbase on it, and then we put, you know, markers and stuff. So all of these are going to be put on there at the end. So be very careful that you don't tear it or rip into it or fold it, because we want the stickers to be nice and flat. Hold that there. These are the instructions. So that goes there. And this is a piece of elastic, the shock cord. We'll ask for that as well in your rocket shock cord. And this bag, it just has information about the model rocket. So this is trash that goes over to the corner. Okay, and finally we have this tiny bag. Okay, be really careful with this because it's so easy to cut into this. There's a lot of little things are in here, so I'm going to shake it, and very carefully I'm going to make sure that I'm not cutting anything in the bag. It's just a little space. So I open it. Now this one is going to be a parachute, which is inside. Don't open this. So this one and this one stay in the bags. Just put them over to the side. Now these two pieces, this cardboard, there's two circles that pop out and they have names. So one of these is called Frank and the other one's called Bob. Frank and Bob, and we'll tell you more about them later. Put them aside. And these two pieces, kids, you've got to be really careful. They're just so small. A green ring and the launch lug that goes here. So I'm not sure if maybe you want to open up this little baggie and just put them in here, because they're really important and they're so small. So if you just zip them in there, that'll keep it safe, okay? So now I'm going to put everything back. All I have is this cardboard. So in goes my body tube. In goes my nose cone, fins, lock ring, yellow tube, tan tube. Then I'm going to put in my two bags, the wadding paper and the launch lug and the green ring. The parachute, still in the bag. Shock cord, elastic. The instructions. And our stickers. So that's why it's important to keep the bag. Oh, I forgot Frank and Bob. Don't forget Frank and Bob. So everything goes on there, and that is the first step, was unpacking everything, and all of this is trash. Thank you.